So we have already checked in, and also we have located our cabin. So let's go inside and see. So our cabin is a stateroom with a balcony. So we have already got our cards and with our names on it. Let's go inside. Okay, so it's quite small, but it looks very nice for me. And the most important thing is the view over the balcony. So let's go and open the door and see. Oh. So the ship hasn't sailed yet, but you can see the harbor and the buildings in the island, and the view is amazing. So I can't wait to go to the middle of the sea and see the nice view. So in the below we have the emergency exit boards, and the view is amazing even from here. So I wonder what will it look like in the middle of the ocean. So let's go inside and see what are the available amenities in the room. So in the balcony we have like 2 chairs with a small table, so we can peacefully enjoy the nice view, because you can see the handrail is all full glass, so we can get a very unobstructed view. So come inside. So you can see that there's a king size bed. It's quite comfortable, and I think it's fairly good bed for 3 nights. And also we have the TV, and all the movies are free, and all the ship information and all the live entertainments are there in the TV for us to watch. And also we can see here's a nice couch overlooking to the nice mirror. So this will be very nice for us to do the makeup and prepping ourselves. And also there are some hair dryers and tissue boxes, as well as a coffee maker. And also the Royal Caribbean has given us some masks, and also a sanitizer, water bottles, and most importantly there's a fridge. Oh no, it's nothing inside though. And there's more storage, and more storage. And in the side of the couch, next to the couch, have a bigger storage with a safe. Also below as well, 2 drawers. And in the side, let me take my luggage. This side also have a bigger space, so there's a lot of hangers as well. So I've seen that the laundry service is also available here. And the other thing is the washroom. So the washroom here is quite small, but it looks okay for both of us for the next 3 days. And also there's a very big mirror just at the entrance. It's almost like a this room is almost feels like a hotel room, but quite small, but still it's worth it, I think. So we will be uploading some more videos, so stay tuned with Kalati Stray.